He was born in a stable on that day, where the animals fed is where he lay. Oh, the infinite king in helpless babe, what a glorious way he came to save. How can we know humility? See how he laid upon the tree. Oh, what gentleness and peace, Christ in full humanity. Matchless in might, yet patient, kind. You are kind, saving the world by his design. His design. Beautiful the mystery, why the Lord would come to me. He was born in a stable on that day, born where the animals fed is where he lay. Oh, the infinite king and helpless babe, what a glorious way he came to save. Worship with gratitude and soul, worship Emmanuel, worship the everlasting King, come to Israel. Worship with tidings and with joy, worship incarnate Son, worship the Trinity as one, Word as flesh, he bled for us. He was born, he was born, he was born in a stable on that day, born on a stable on that day, animals fed is where he lay. Oh, the infinite king and helpless babe, what a glorious way he came to save. You were born in a stable on that day, where the animals fed is where you lay. Oh, the infinite king and helpless babe, what a glorious way you came to save. What a glorious